Okay, so this is how to make your phone do a noise when you plug it onto charge or something like that. I've got to be quiet because, you know, family, innit? So you go into the shortcuts app, this one that I'm moving, this one, shortcuts, you go onto it, bottom row, automation, right? You want to hit automation, add, create new personal automation. I'm going to show you how to make it do a noise when you plug it into charger. You can do low power mode, battery level and charger. Do charger. You can do if when you plug it in or if it's disconnected, do plug it in. I'm doing plug it in. You hit next, you add action, you search text. I think it's text. Let it load. Speak text, and you can put your text. Put the charger. Put the charger. If you really want the TikTok sound in the background, it's just my brother. Don't mind him. Put the charger in me. Yum. Next. Right, here's the part where you need to make sure you do. Here at the bottom, the one that I'm flicking, make sure you set that to don't ask. Stop spamming me, bro. If you have it as ask and hit done, when you plug it in, it'll ask you if you want to make the sound. So turn it off and hit done. Now whenever you plug your phone into power, it will make... Thanks for watching.